Welcome to Day 1 Patch. This is our unboxing of the Ultimate Songbird Edition for BIOSHOck Infinite. With me, I have Age around to help me out.
Hello. So we're just going to go ahead and start digging into this.
Now, the art is the same as on the actual game case, right? Which a lot of people didn't like.
Yeah.
But I think it looks really good in this kind of box here.
So, Ryan, can I ask you, what do we know about the retail box art? What are they going to... What version did they end up going with?
I think it was kind of like this style here, the red
top one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think they're gonna have it like so you can flip it around, right?
Yeah. Let's get. There we go. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I should keep it in the box or. Okay, we'll start with this piece here. So I'll give that to you. So it looks like we have the game. Standard retail game with some DLC pack, the digital soundtrack. We have the avatar items for Xbox 360. Do you know what you get if you have the PS version?
Oh, I actually don't know that.
And then we
get some avatar items maybe.
avatar items for PlayStation.
Yeah.
And then this is the upgrade pack exclusive. As well as I also have the Industrial Revolution minigame unlocks that I still have to redeem. So I did that. So this, I believe, is the... Oh, there's a seal on there.
You should be able to open it without breaking the seal, but if you want to try, just go ahead and cut it.
No, that's okay. I'm going to try it like that.
Oh, I can hear it tearing. There you go.
Quality last. Pick that up. Oh, I'm going to have to... That's nice. It was going to go well with my other BioShock 2 original posters, the Ryan propaganda posters. So put that back up. This is the art book.
This looks pretty cool. Does it have a texture on it? Actually?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's got, hopefully it's not dirty, but it looks like...
I think it's probably aged.
Yeah. Yeah. But that looks, it's going to be fun to look through. I'm going to intentionally wait until the end of the game before I actually look through that to avoid spoilers.
It's kind of cool that everything's coming in these different boxes.
Mm-hmm.
It's all styled and everything too. So.
This is called The Murder of Crows. That's what a pack of crows is called, by the way. Murder. That's really nice. That is the, what do they call in the game? The
you like drink them though, right?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
They give you powers and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's too nice. I will not be putting that on my keychain.
Don't want to get scratched up.
Yeah.
So now here's what I really wanted you to see, the handyman figure. You can tell by the size of the box right there.
Okay, this is the prize and joy. Well, that is quality right there. Look at the size of this thing. Get it nice and close for that one. Can you see it? I can't even see that.
So now, I do believe this is for a board game they're coming out with later. So this is one of the figures that you can get and use in the board game.
Okay, that makes more sense.
So yeah, it's not a full-size figure like the Songbird game.
Back in the box it goes. Just pack that up. Then, shove all that aside. Not gonna have enough room. Standard.
So wow, that's actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Wow.
Standard packing. Okay, let's use a couple of twist ties back here.
All right, so I think these are.
Oh, go ahead.
Just there you go.
Yeah. I must say that the detail of it is quite impressive. Fucking terrifying just looking at it. We note the statue it is climbing on top of. I believe it's actually in one of these trailers. It shows the statue crumbling. There you have it. There's the Songbird statue, the 9.75-inch statue from BIOSHOCK Infinite Songbird. Well, there you have it. There's the unboxing video from BIOSHOCK Infinite.
For more unboxings like this and much more, check out our podcast, our app reviews. They'll all be on our YouTube page, youtube.com/DayOnePatchPodcast. Thank you.
Take care.